What's up, Set King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the new Samsung Galaxy A10e from Metro by T-Mobile. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so this is pretty much the same box as the unlocked version, but on the back, as we see right here, it's Metro by T-Mobile. So this is the Metro by T-Mobile version. I'm not trying to trick you guys whatsoever, but the specifications that we receive on this device are a 4G LTE connected device, obviously, to Metro by T-Mobile's network. We also have a 5.83 HD plus TFT Infinity display. So we have an Infinity display on this device. We have that little water drop notch on the top of the device, so that's always nice to see. And this display is going to be 720 by 1560, but the thing is, this phone looks like a 1080p screen. It looks like a full HD screen, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are going to feel the same way, but I actually paid a whole $19.99 for this phone. Now there is a little catch. I did buy the $60 plan for the first month, and then I also had a $15 activation fee, and we also had California taxes on top of that. So I walked out of there paying $110, but only paying $20 for the device. So that is all right in my book, honestly. We also have an 8 megapixel main camera with LED flash. We have a 5 megapixel front facing camera, and the screen actually doubles in brightness, so you can take flash photography with the front facing camera, so that's always nice to see. We also have a 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and we also can expand via micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. All right everyone, let's go ahead and open this up. We have the phone on the top actually right here, and I've played with this for a little bit already, but we're gonna go ahead and put that this side. That is what the phone looks like. We're gonna go into full detail later on. Let's go more inside of here. Now, next thing we have right here is little booklets and such. So this is all of the literature we're going to get with this device, and it's a lot of it. So we have terms and conditions as well as health and safety. We have a quick reference guide, and we also have it in Spanish if you guys do speak Espanol. Next thing we have right here is the SIM card. Obviously we took the SIM card out and we popped it inside the phone. We also have our charger right here. This is a Samsung branded charger, obviously. And we also have our USB Type-C cable, which is always great to see. And last but not least, we always have a SIM ejector tool, which I love that Metro by T-Mobile does that. That is a must-have if you do have a mobile device. Alright everyone, so starting off at the back of the phone, we obviously have our 8 megapixel camera, and we have our flash right under that. We also have our Samsung logo right there. Now this is pretty much like an indigo or kind of grayish color, so that's what we get for the color on this phone. We also have the speaker, the noise canceling mic, we have our USB Type-C port, and we have our 3.5mm head jack. Right side of the phone, we have our volume up and down button. We also have our power button just under that. Top of the phone, we have our noise canceling mic. Left side of the phone, we do have our SIM tray. Alright everyone, so this is the front facing camera at the top of the device. We also have our on-screen buttons, but the screen looks really nice. All angles are good on this phone. You can see literally at all angles, so looks really good, doesn't wash out at angles. Screen's beautiful. Now if we go up here in the drop down menu, we have Wi-Fi calling, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, flashlight, power mode, blue light filter right there, so if you guys want to use that, maybe if you're reading at night or watching videos at night, you guys can go ahead and turn that on. We also have mobile hotspot, location, smart view, do not disturb, secure folder, sync, Dolby Atmos. We also actually have Dolby Atmos speaker. Now this is a sound effect, and it only works when you're actually using Bluetooth wireless headphones, or you're using any type of headphones that are plugging into the device. So we have a 3.5mm head jack, so you guys can go and plug in your headphones right there, and that will let you listen to Dolby Atmos. You cannot listen to Dolby Atmos if you're not using headphones with this device. We also have night mode, and we also have the navigation bar right there. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn that off or put on full screen gestures instead of the navigation buttons, you guys can go ahead and do so. But so far, screen looks amazing on this device. Everything looks great. 2 gigabytes of RAM in this device is enough, especially for the price that I paid, $19.99. We also have Android 9.0, so we have Pie on this device. Always great to see Pie on a Metro by T-Mobile device. Obviously, we have a little bit of bloatware, but honestly, it's not too much. it's a few applications. We just have Metro Zone and My Metro, but other than that, everything looks really good. I actually want to show you the cameras really quick, because the cameras are super surprising on this device. Really decent cameras. So as you guys see, look at the cameras. Look at the camera. That is insane. That is insanely good. I do not know how or why this camera is so good. The LG Stylo 5 on Cricket Wireless doesn't even look this good. This is very weird to be saying this right now, but the cameras are good on a $19.99 phone. So let's go ahead and take a photo real quick. Take a look at that. The detail is excellent. Detail looks really, really good. You guys can see my stubble or whatever. But yeah, it looks really good. It looks really, really good. Really nice camera on this device. I believe we also have a wide angle mode on this device as well. So that's always great to see. Let's take a photo right here again. I'm gonna go ahead and post these on Instagram, so if you guys want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, you guys can see these photos. But yeah, really nice camera nonetheless. Everything looks good. Really nice screen. Obviously, I'm gonna do my full review and many more videos on this device, so definitely stay tuned if you guys want to see any of those videos. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.